Hello my friends, so today I'm at my gym and I'm gonna be showing you how to make this, my favorite thing these days to do, some cursive letters.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
That's why you shouldn't do stuff at the wrong angle. Doing stuff like an idiot. I use my little mouse sander to sand all the nooks and crannies. Cutting this is easy, sanding it down is a little harder. And now I'm just testing, making sure that it hangs evenly. So there's kind of a range, but it's hanging all right. And so what I did was, in the little hook container that I have, it comes with these, and I never used one. But in this case, like, the point of balance is literally right here. Well, obviously it came out real clean. I really like cutting out cursive letters like that. The shadows look really good. The black on black manual Boxster in question. So there we go. This angle from like the bushes sneak up on the sign. That looks really good too, actually. I like that. But thanks for watching, great success. We'll do something next time.